Above ground pool. I just started to put a brand new liner in my above ground pool when I noticed that the pool wall had cracked. I want to tear down the pool and will replace it when I save enough money, but I don't want to lose the liner. Is there a way to save it? It only had about 2 inches of water in it and no chemicals. I can get it empty and dry it carefully. Is it too late to try and store it until I get a new pool?
Well, I would say that because it's new, I don't see that it's that much of a problem to try to save the liner. The challenge with that is it comes in a box all pre-rolled and wrapped and pretty small. To be able to get it back to anywhere close to that size is virtually impossible in the field. Is it possible? Sure. What I would look at maybe is, can the wall be repaired? Is there something that could be done to the wall to repair it to make the liner functional currently and be able to use the pool? Because while you're going to save the money for the liner or replacing the liner now, I think the long-term cost would make more sense to try to use the pool now versus wait to save up the money to be able to buy a new pool. You're probably better off figuring out is there a way to be able to repair the wall and salvage the wall and then be able to use the pool.